What's up, guys? It's me, Shamar Lebreton, back with you for another video on this channel. And today we are not discussing YouTube, which is like super weird. I know, like most of these videos, if not all, on this channel have been about YouTube, but today we are actually talking about the world of TikTok. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but in this new year of 2023, Happy New Year's, by the way, YouTube has announced that YouTube Shorts is actually going to become revenue for a lot of people. So anybody that are posting YouTube Shorts and who are already monetized will be getting money pretty much. But where did that come from? Where did YouTube Shorts even come from? What was the whole idea? Well, that kind of originated from TikTok. Now, TikTok is not to say that it was like the first of its kind in terms of, posting short form content. There was Vine, there was Instagram when they first announced posting videos on Instagram's platform and only posting about 15 seconds. And then 15 seconds became 30 and 30 became, what it is today. But a lot of platforms, including Instagram, Vine, Facebook, even, starting with like stories and stuff, they all originated with short form content because they realized that even though it was shorter, it was gaining more traction and more engagement towards their pages. Now, TikTok did come out with, their platform quite a while ago, but it didn't blow up until recently, which is kind of why we're making this video today. What is short form content? What is this new generation, this new wave of content that's being eaten up by the population? So pretty much like most YouTubers like myself, we're so used to posting like 10 to 12 minutes of content, or posting a video that's long and it's informational or it's educational, whatever the case may be. But recently, I would say about like 2018, 2019, that all changed. A lot of people, engagement has gone lower and lower because people are not interested in long form 10-minute clips of how to tie a tie or how to create your next YouTube banner or things of that nature. But it was more so about being entertained in 30 seconds or less. And thus TikTok took big advantage of that content. So I'm pretty sure you clicked on this video because you want to be a TikToker. How do you start? How do you transition from being a YouTuber to a TikToker? Well, it's pretty simple. A lot of the content that you already post on YouTube, you can actually size down into bite-sized content and post it on TikTok, or you can post it on YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. And I'm kind of going to teach you guys how to do that within one video that you create. Even this video that I'm, filming now, we can actually use this and post this on TikTok and Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Now, keep in mind, when you post on TikTok, you'll get a video that has a watermark on it. So I would not suggest you posting TikTok content that has the watermark on YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. I'm not sure if it's true or not, but I've been told that when you post videos that are meant for another platform, the platform that you're posting on will not push it as much. So just keep that in mind, but I'm going to teach you ways around that. I have two methods, just in case like you post on TikTok first and then you come up with the watermark and you want to post it on Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. Now you may be wondering, like, do you need a professional camera? Is this like YouTube where you have to buy a camera, a mic, lighting and all that? No. I use my phone primarily for TikTok. If I'm being honest with you, my phone probably gets more attention, not just because of my everyday life, but on TikTok, it gets more attention because it's quicker, it's easier, and it already shoots vertically. With the camera, it's, setting it up, making sure the audio is correct, making sure lighting is great, making sure my ISO, all that other stuff. And then I have to shoot vertically because TikTok is known to be vertically, even though you can shoot horizontal, but it doesn't come out as well as it does vertically. So yeah, I would say the only tool you will need for creating TikToks or even posting on TikTok is simply your phone. I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but you can literally use any iPhone, any Android, any phone that you have that can use TikTok and it can shoot videos and record audio at the same time. You're in perfect hands. Now, a quick take for TikTok, you always want to shoot vertical. So whenever you're shooting, you want to shoot this way and not this way. If you shoot this way, you're going to get like the YouTube effect where you're posting a horizontal video, and you don't want that because that is a different platform for a different aspect. You want to shoot vertical all the time. So whatever you're shooting, just shoot straightforward, keep it simple, keep it straight. Another tip I would say for TikTok is it's not like YouTube where you have to find a niche necessarily, but you do want to shoot with a purpose. I see a lot of times a lot of TikTokers who aren't getting as much traction as they should is because they shoot a bunch of different things and their TikTok is not really proactive in terms of what they want to be about. So if you're a couple channel, you want to shoot couple things like trying out different foods or doing couple jokes or who's more this or who's more that, things of that nature. Same thing with people in fitness. If you're a fitness channel on YouTube, on your TikTok, you might want to shoot about, fitness, unless you want to change up your style, then that's totally different. But if your niche is around fitness, then TikTok should be more about fitness, you going to the gym, shooting daily vlogs about different workouts, protein shakes that you drink, things of that nature. TikTok is not really niched down in terms of YouTube, but I would say to gain more traction or to have a more of a community, same thing as YouTube, you want to shoot, primarily in the field that you're in, instead of shooting, all a bunch of different things that really just doesn't make sense altogether. Now, same thing with another trick. It is not like YouTube where you have to edit professionally, like on Premiere Pro or Final Cut, although you can shoot or edit in the aspect of like you're editing professionally. However, TikTok is not like YouTube where you have to kind of be professional. Even though YouTube, you don't have to be professional either. But if you're in the field like I am, which is like videography, photography, just shooting in the creative space, then a lot of times you want to shoot, with color grading. You want to, be as precise as possible. With TikTok, it's you just kind of having fun. So I would suggest you not to shoot as professional as you would YouTube, but just kind of shoot freely. Just shoot, have fun. Think of the idea, of course. You always want to think of the idea. You always want to shoot with a purpose, but have fun at the same time. And that's not to say you don't have fun on YouTube, but YouTube, it's all about making sure everything's correct, making sure the aspect ratio is good, ISO, shutter speed, having a script down and making sure you're saying the correct things. With TikTok, you're just having fun. And I've realized that in the past few years that the short form content, the reason why people are engaging with it is because it's quick, it's easy, and it's fun. With YouTube, you're kind of searching for that video with a purpose. You're planning to do a wedding video, so you're searching up how to shoot a wedding, or you need to learn how to tie a tie, so you go on YouTube to search how to tie a tie. With TikTok, you're just scrolling and you're trying to find something that's engaging and worth watching. So have fun with TikTok. And just, shoot freely. With all that being said, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to shoot TikTok. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to shoot it, how to edit it. And you can even use TikTok's editors, or I will, at the end of this video, recommend some editing softwares that you can use to edit your TikToks, and poof, we'll just go from there. All right, guys, so we are gonna go into TikTok. All right, so this is me. Sorry, I know I look rough. I haven't gotten a haircut in a minute, but pretty much we are going to shoot. Now on TikTok, you're gonna see, sorry, I didn't go through it. Once you create a TikTok, if you don't have already, you're gonna see at the bottom of your screen, you're gonna see home, now, a plus sign, an inbox, and profile. Now to create a TikTok, you want to press the plus sign always. Unless you created a TikTok outside of TikTok, then you can just upload, which it will be on the right hand side at the bottom. But if you have not created a video and you're creating one fresh out, like let's say you're outside or something, TikTok has a 15 seconds, a 60 seconds, and a 3 minute. Now that depends on you. If you want your TikTok to be long, I would suggest shooting 3 minutes, but that's not to say if you shoot 3 minutes that the video has to be 3 minutes. And you can actually shrink it down with the editing softwares in TikTok. I usually keep it at 60 just to be in the middle, because again, you don't want long form content on TikTok, even though they offer it. We're going to start with my book, which is, you guys can't see here, but you'll see on the camera. We're going to start with my book now. So we press it, go down, show the book, stop. So now it's 3 seconds worth of shooting. Now we're going to go with the camera. Here we go. Bam. So we're just going to keep doing this until you shoot everything that you want. And the last thing I'm going to shoot is myself. Here we go. And that's it. That's really simple. That is how you do TikTok. Now for me, that was just like a simple, just a tutorial kind of thing. So once you're finished, you're just going to press the check. Okay. Now, so to add text towards this video, once you are finished, you'll just press the A at the top right, and you can type in whatever you want. So I'm going to say video tutorial, and I'm just going to press this A at the left hand side so I could give it a little bit of, just a little pizzazz. We'll kind of post that down. Now TikTok has another way. It is different from YouTube, because YouTube has a very strict copyright, motive, where if you're using a song that is not, musically licensed to you, that video has a chance of being taken down, blocked, or just, being monetized. So whenever you make money off that video, that money is not going towards you. TikTok has a, very cool program where a lot of the songs that you would think you can't use on YouTube, you can actually use on TikTok. So I usually just go on search and just kind of go on TikTok viral to see what is trending, but also what fits with my video as well. So just for the sake of this tutorial, because I just don't want this video to be too long, we're just gonna press something. Once you click on a video that you like or a music track that you like, you're gonna click the check, and it's going to sync the sound for you so that it just makes sense. So it's kind of like editing on a fast pace. So once I'm finished with this video, I can just hit next. And this is where you write your caption. Now hashtags is very, very big on TikTok. YouTube, you can kind of get away with not using hashtags, although it's suggested. With TikTok, you almost have to, otherwise your video is not going to be pushed towards the community. TikTok has a cool way of realizing what the content is and start pushing it out to certain people anyways. However, hashtags does help a lot because it tells TikTok exactly what community you're reaching for. So I would suggest to use hashtags as much as possible. And I think TikTok just recently updated their length of captions, so you can write and add as much as you want, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember the number, but yeah, it's there. And lastly, you want to post it towards everyone. So where it says who can watch this video, make sure it always says everyone. You don't really have to add a location. Now, if you are unsure about the video and you still want to edit it, or you want to go back and try to post it for a different time, you'll hit it on drafts, and it will keep it in a draft box until you're ready to post. But if you're ready to post now, you just hit post and just let the magic happen. Now, I've used a few websites on Google. So once that video is up, it'll usually like download to your photos on your phone, and then I'll just search download TikTok videos without watermark. I forgot which one I used. I think I used SaveTT. So savettt.cc. I'm not sure if that's a legal website, so listen, I'm just helping the people out. Copy link. Hit copy link. Go back. You're going to paste that URL. Hit search. It's going to search for that video. Once it finds that video, you can hit download, and then poof, you have that TikTok high quality without the watermark. And that way you're able to post it towards YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, so that you're using one content for multiple platforms. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That is all of TikTok. I hope this was super helpful for you guys. Again, go out and explore TikTok. You know what I mean? It is the biggest thing right now, outside of YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. But it helped me gain some followers, and it helped me, gain some new people. So use TikTok as a platform. Don't think of it as like YouTube dying, because I don't think it is. I think it's actually helping YouTube in terms of YouTube Shorts. Go out and be creative. If you want to be a creator, I suggest you go do it. The only thing stopping you is you. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.